So we're going to do a practice called mindfulness of breathing. To begin, set yourself up in your comfortable meditation posture and take just a moment or two to settle into that posture, to relax the body as much as you can, to become stable and still. And now bring your attention to your breathing. So at this point we're just feeling the breath as it flows in and out of the body. And we're working with whatever your natural breath is. We're not breathing in any special way, we're not trying to control anything here. There's no good or bad way to breathe in this practice. We're just working with your natural everyday breath. Notice that there are a few different places where you can feel something going on with the breath. Maybe you feel a breeze on the top lip or around the nostrils. You might find you feel the chest rising and falling. You might feel movement in the belly area, in the abdomen. And again, there's no need to force anything. There's no right experience to have. Just see what it's like for you. And now we're going to find the lowest part of the body where you can feel some kind of movement in response to the breath. Doesn't matter where it is, doesn't need to be super low, just the lowest place for you. This, we're now going to follow the breath at this low point in the body. Practicing in this way helps to connect us a little bit more with our physical bodies, which helps to bring us into the present moment, and it helps to get us down out of our heads a little bit, down into the body somewhere. So we're following the physical sensations of the breath in the body. We're not thinking about the breath, we're not analysing or examining the breath in any way. We're simply paying attention to the physical sensations. So we're not visualising either. We're just feeling what happens in the body as we breathe. As we follow the breath, maybe you'd like to add a count into the breath. This can help the mind to stay where we've put it, basically. So if you'd like to do this, then on your next in-breath, count 1. On the out-breath, 2. In-breath, 3, and so on. counting the next in-breath 1 again, and just keep going like that. Anytime you get distracted, that's fine, that's part of the practice too. Just notice that you've become distracted. Gently let go of whatever the mind's become tangled up in, and then come back to the breath and the count. Coming back to the breath each time the mind wanders away. And it's important to know that nothing has gone wrong when you get distracted. The mind wandering is part of the practice. Bringing the attention back to the breath again and again is all part of the practice. It's part of training the mind. So, if you're very focused or if you're very distracted, both are equally fine. The practice is still doing what it needs to do. So just keep coming back to the breath each time the mind wanders away. All kinds of things can come up for us in this practice. Thoughts, feelings, emotions, memories. But we deal with all of it in the same way. We simply notice that something has come up. We gently bring our attention back to the breath and the count, and we carry on. There's no need to do anything with any of the stuff that comes up. No need to solve any problems, no need to figure anything out. Just keep coming back to the breath and the count. Just breathing and counting. It's a very simple practice. practice bringing some movement into the body. Maybe moving fingers and toes, maybe twisting, stretching, whatever kind of movement feels good to you right now. And then in your own time, no rush at all, coming to the end of